Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please like, share and subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, most of all, welcome. So legendary TV and film producer Duma Ndlovu was arrested last night on fraud related to tax, and two others have also been arrested. The amount that they defrauded is close to 25 million rands, and he is also applying for bail after handing himself over to police yesterday. Ndlovu was granted 100,000 rands bail. He's expected to appear in court again on 11 November 2024 to face tax evasion charges. So he is the creator of Muvhango, The Seed, Uzalo, to mention just a few of the soapies that he created. People on social media are not even embracing with him because of the actors and actresses that he mistreated and fired. And a lot of cast members of Muvhango and Uzalo, they were in tears of him because he was underpaying him and also firing them. I think now it clearly shows that tax dodging criminals were protected under Zuma because powerful people are now being arrested. Duma Ndlovu is a high-profile person and now being arrested because of so much money. I think there's something that the government is now trying to rectify and claim back their money. I don't know, this man is too old to be in prison, and hopefully they are going to pay off the amount. I don't know if he has that 25 million to cover that, but he makes a lot of money. That's what I heard. He makes a lot of money out of TV, and recently I think he now owns Sibongile and the Dlaminis, if I'm not mistaken. And then there's another soapy that came, Mzansi Wetu or something like that, that is now owning. He's got a lot of money, this guy. I think they need to clear him up. Let me know what you guys think about this whole situation. Does he deserve to be in jail considering his age and stuff? But because he was mistreating others, I think he deserves whatever is coming his way, because people are saying a lot of hateful comments on him, on whatever he did to the actors of Muvhango, especially firing them and also mistreating the whole acting industry. He owns a lot of people because he's got a lot of he has got a lot of soapies that he manages. So I don't know. I'm going to put a short clip of what happened yesterday as well.
I repeat undertaking not to contact any of the state witnesses without my attorneys first contacting the state. It will be a simple matter to monitor whether this condition is breached. I'm not familiar with any witness that the state may call. As far as I'm aware, no witnesses have made statements and have agreed to testify. As far as I'm aware, the investigation against me is in its initial stages. However, argument will be presented that this is on its own is not a reason to refuse my bail application.